once you're done being alone.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a clean and organized with me. I'm gonna be cleaning her kitchen. My friend let me record cleaning her house, and so I started off in the kitchen, and the next video will be of me doing the living room and the dining room. But we're just gonna go ahead and get started.
I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over. You keep missing a fight, even though they're so overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low.
So she had a few dishes left over in her sink, so I just went ahead and hand washed those instead of putting them into the dishwasher.
I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind.
So now that I'm done doing the dishes, I just wanted to give her cabinets a good wiping and cleaning. So I got up on a chair because her cabinets go all the way up to the ceiling, and I just wanted to give them a good cleaning.
That we watch it burn out. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers.
So there was something I did forget to clean, and I want to see if you noticed it. And I didn't realize it until after I was done completely cleaning, like the mopping and everything, and then I realized I didn't do this one thing. So I'm gonna see if you can notice, or if you know what I forgot to clean. Let me know in the comments. me on my videos, I like to introduce myself. My name is Courtney. I do cleaning videos, decorate with me videos, decluttering and organizing, any type of homemaking videos. I do those. So if you are interested in those types of videos, make sure you push that subscribe button. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My handle name is thelifeofcourtney19. So my friend told me that I could organize this for her if I wanted to, so I just went ahead and did that. And she did have those 2 green bins, but I ended up finding those wired ones in the house somewhere, and I just used those for now unless she wanted to switch. But I told her she could, you know, it's her house, she could kind of do whatever. But she really liked what I did, so she just ended up keeping it that way. So I have realized that organizing is not being Pinterest worthy sometimes. It's just whatever is functional and works for you and your family. And I knew this would work better for my friend and her roommate. And so again, it may not be Pinterest worthy, but it will work for them.
I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily.
So this is the last thing that I'll be doing, which is mopping. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, you can push that subscribe button, be part of my little YouTube family. And you can follow me on Instagram. My handle name is thelifeofcourtney19, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Love could pass, tomorrow comes.